Hello, and welcome back to the Aquarius software training video series on working with Springboard. This video will cover location folders. Let's begin. The Locations Folders area is the left-hand side of the window. If I have all locations selected, I will see an entire listing of the locations that I have access to. If I select recent locations, I will see up to the last 10 that I have recently visited. This lower section below will show the location groupings on my system. Note that this folder structure can be customized to suit your organization. All locations are part of the primary hierarchy, or think of this as the folder structure where all of your locations reside. On my system, it's called All Locations. If I select all locations, similar to above, I will see a complete listing of all the locations I can access. If I select the central region, I will see just the locations within the central region, and if I select Northwest, I can see all of the locations within this region. If I drill down farther still into the Columbia River, I can see all of them that are just in the Columbia River area. Below this, we have a secondary hierarchy structure. You can have more than one secondary hierarchy, and this is a way to allow you to show your location groupings in different ways. The locations are all part of the primary hierarchy system, and the secondary groupings is like a photo album or playlist, if you will. On my system, I have a secondary hierarchy called Projects. Within, I have a project named 2012 Spring, and a few locations are inside here. All users who log into Springboard will see the primary and the secondary hierarchies. A location will always remain in the primary hierarchy, and there can be multiple secondary hierarchies for your grouping. The folder called My Locations is where I can create my own personal location groupings. No one else logging into Aquarius will see this folder. It's just for me. Selecting My Locations, I can add a folder, and you can have nested folder structure. And type in whatever you would like. In order to get a location into any of these folders, you simply select all locations or one of your regions where you can quickly find one. Select the location by clicking on it, holding down the mouse button, and simply dragging it over to the folder I would like and dropping it down. Now if I select all my locations, I'll see the complete list. If I drill down, I'll see the individual ones. If I'd like to remove one, I can select the location, right-click the mouse again, and say Remove Locations from this folder, and now it's gone. If I look at all of my locations, it'll be missing, and if I look back to my first week, it'll be gone too. If I would like to delete a folder, I can just right-click on that and say Delete Location Folder, and it will be removed. Note that the folder must be empty before you can remove it. This concludes the video on location folders.